Are y'all ready for this?
We interrupt this broadcast for a public service announcement. Please listen carefully to the following information. On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform. This is a biohazard risk containment zone. All hazardous material has been made safe for civilian viewing. For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. Delivering strength in control. On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform.
Evening, how are we? Next week, here you go, here's another bit of track. Gone in just, I'd say, a minute ago, a few minutes. So that's live. Missed it probably about 15 minutes or so. So yeah, there's your next one, there's your end. So we're getting there. Next one, next meter or so. Well, probably a bit more than a meter. So yeah, there's your next bit of track. I won't zoom in. So here we go. Here's a little friendly face for you.
This is a biohazard risk containment zone.
Friendly face.
All hazardous material has been made safe for civilian viewing.
So there you go. So there you go. One more bit of track's gone up. There you go. And then we'll get you the geothermal biohazard, which has lasted a week. I didn't think it would last a week. As much as it's only a smoke machine, possibly, might be something inside it, but it has lasted a week. So we'll go and check that out in a moment. So there you go, there's your update for this week. He's just screwing it in as we speak. Screwing it in, hashtag screw in.
Operatives will ensure your security at all times. Due to localized biohazard risk, it is imperative you remain within the containment zone. On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform.
Evening, hello, how are we? Yeah, I definitely need to show you this week, don't tell on the up and that's been ordered, so it will be done. I booked in, and then that definitely needs doing. That's going to be a tonight job. Nearly did it last night, but we didn't in the end. So yeah, so that's that. Quick Phalanx track update. There you go, another tick there. So put that in for you, and a secret clue down here somewhere. I'll put it in somewhere, you know. But there's your Phalanx tracker for this week with a big green tick. Not a big green track, that's red and black. So there you go, she's going to blab on in a minute, so we'll go down to the geothermal biohazards. Also nice to see the annual smoke fluid topper upper. The little mole that goes around has actually filled up the fluid. So yeah, it's an annual thing. It's just like randomly every couple of months. It's not they go around. Some mole goes around and fills all the smoke machines up. So there you go. There's a Dean fact for you. There's this week's update for you. 2 more to go before obviously I fly out. So you got 2 more of these. So yeah, there you go. So another bit of track, 1 bit of track's gone in. Yes, definitely gonna have to. I'm doing this for next week because it looks awful. Take 25 years off me when I do that. So yeah, get rid of that. So hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll be back next Tuesday for another update for you. So until then, see you in a bit. Draw. There you go from the Nemesis side. There you go. There you go, I'm going. See you next week.